friends, happy vlog. It's been a while since I vlogged last. Sorry if it's kind of loud. I have the window open for Jujubeen. We're basically at a stop at this traffic, but I wanted to just check in and say hello. My name is Corie if you're new here. I'm a teacher, I'm a family and consumer sciences high school teacher, but I also love all things beauty and lifestyle, so you get a little bit of everything here on my channel. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so. I really appreciate it. I'm on summer break, obviously, so I'm not going into work every day. Next week, me and my mom are going on our annual girls trip to our family cabin. So I am going to her house today to help her get ready for our trip. I have been super active on Instagram, so I would really recommend, I'll leave my Instagram handle here and also in the description box. I'd really recommend going and following me there. I have lots of cool content coming out on Instagram. I don't know what else to say, so I'll catch up with you guys later. I brought some dirt from my house for my mom, and great. Hey guys, I haven't chatted with you since this morning. So kind of a lazy day, but not really. I got here to my mom's house. We sat in the sun for a little bit. Then we cleaned her basement because my aunt is coming to stay with them. So we cleaned the basement, got that ready. And then my parents actually went to go get their second dose of the vaccine, of the COVID vaccine. And I took a fat nap. And then I went to Joann's, which you saw. So tomorrow I actually have a conference, which is virtual this year. But for the conference, we're making fanny packs. So that's what it's like to be a family and consumer sciences teacher, is you get to do fun stuff for conferences. So I had to get the stuff for my project. So that's what I did. Now I'm back home. It is reading 105 degrees. Now I know some of y'all live in like Arizona, Texas, these hot places. I live in the desert too, but I can't. I am not sure that I'm gonna make it through the summer. I have been living in bike shorts and oversized t-shirts, and I don't know if you guys follow Nicole Guerrero. I've been following her since like 2012, but past like year at least, she wears bike shorts and oversized t-shirts pretty much every day. She lives in Florida, so it totally makes sense. I absolutely get it. It's still a really cute sporty outfit, I feel like, especially with like a gold chain or whatnot. And like Air Force Ones. Today I'm not even that cute. It's just too hot to do anything else. 106 now. Great. That's the update. Adios, muchachos. Good morning, you guys. Happy Tuesday. I have dry shampoo in my hair, so that's why my hair looks weird. I just went up and down the stairs really fast and now I'm out of breath. So today I have an all-day virtual conference, which is for fashion. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go work out first before the conference starts, and then I have a couple things that I have to print for the conference. But I wanted to show you guys the fabric that I got for the fanny pack project. So these two fabrics, I got stuff for two different projects. So these two printed patterns will be for the lining. I got this patent leather and then just like a black denim. So I'm gonna go work out on my treadmill. I'm just gonna walk, then we'll get going on the conference. First part of my Zoom conference today. So we did pattern drafting this morning and we're technically on lunch right now. It's 12:15 in the afternoon. I already ate. I have to go back to a new Zoom meeting for a sewing project at 1, but right now I actually have it on my agenda to organize my bathroom. It's just kind of disorganized and a little bit crazy, so I just wanted to organize it. And so this is my top drawer. This has all of my everyday products. So right here I have a whole bunch of cotton pads, a couple of the Ordinary skincare products here. This is my everyday moisturizer that I use, which is Drunk Elephant's Protini. And it's too tall to stand up, so I lay it on its side. And then back here, I just have a whole bunch of hair ties, clips, scrunchies, and also my makeup removing wipes, which I would like to find a better place for. This does not need to go here. Hey, that doesn't work too bad, does it? So I'm actually pretty happy. This I use all the time, so it's exactly how I need it. So I'm gonna leave that. Pretty soon here, I'm gonna be showing you guys my skincare routine and my everyday skincare products that I use. So this one is kind of more of a hot mess. I think I would like to turn this drawer into like a backup skincare drawer. So this is not a perfect solution. It's good enough for now because it lets me see what I have on hand. So just extra skincare products of things that I know that I use all the time and love. Here I have lip balms, like replacement lip balms of stuff that I know that I love and use, but also just small samples of products. And then in the back, which you can't see, I have extra hair care products. Now, I'm not sure what I'm gonna find in here. So I know that in this bag I have tampons. And that's these 3 drawers done. So these 3 drawers are the ones that we just went through and organized. These 3 drawers are Trevor's, so that's a him problem. I'm going to go through this cabinet right here now. Down there, I just lined up all of our cleaning products, and that leaves me plenty of room to organize and place this basket. And now I have completely emptied out this basket, and I am going to take you guys, I'm going to consolidate all of my hair stuff. So we are in my office now. This tub right here is where I keep all of my hair stuff right now. This basket is obviously a lot cuter. That is so much cuter than what I was using before. I have an absurd amount of hair clips, I know, but back to the bathroom. So honestly, that makes us pretty much done here. The only thing that's left in the bathroom is the countertop, and the only area that we really have to worry about is over here. So this is our Echo Dot. I'm gonna put it in the drawer for now because we haven't been using it, and I really wanna get, they make like little outlet mounts for them, and so that it's not getting wet, it's out of the way. Deodorant gets left out. I have this basket full of like my everyday hair products that I actually use in the bathroom. Dry shampoo, soap for the sink, lotion. I just barely went through all of those products. It's not the cutest, but I'm okay with it. So I actually feel really good about that little quick organization cleanup. My mirror was disgusting. Please ignore that. And we did all of that just in time for our next Zoom session to start. So hopefully you enjoyed that little organization. Later this week I want to organize my closet, so we'll see if I get to that. For my conference. It's a little bit small for what I wanted. So there's the lining, super cool. So I think probably what I'm gonna do is actually alter the pattern and make a slightly bigger one because I have enough fabric for that. So I'm probably gonna do that, not today. Later now. It's about 9 o'clock and I am in bed. I took a shower, braided my hair. I'm here with, well, he's leaving me. But it's been a long day. I did my skincare. I just finished my book and I'm gonna go to sleep. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, I need to get into some sunlight so that you can appreciate how dumb my hair looks. But there's purpose. It's because I'm gonna go sit on my back porch and try to get some sun without some tan lines. But I don't want tan lines from my braids. So I just clipped them on top of my head. So I'm gonna lay out in the sun. And then I'm also going to work out just the same thing that I did yesterday. We just work out on the treadmill. Probably watch some Gilmore Girls while I do it. Project today is cleaning out my linen closet. It's just kind of disorganized and it's where I keep backups of like cleaning supplies, lotion, toothbrushes, toothpaste. It's where I keep all of the backups of those things. So I really want to organize the closet better. So I have spare pillows up there. I don't even know what's back there. Here's all of my backup products, sheets, towels. Howard is in there. Blankets. And also blankets. So I'm gonna organize this and I'll be back in a minute. So pillows stayed the same. This, I added one basket with toothbrushes and like smaller items. And they're just like stacked to the back with the same product. So like all of these back here are dry shampoos, cleaning supplies, towels, washcloths, Focus. Down here I have just more additional products with the towels that just don't have a better spot. These are sheets. I refuse to fold sheets. It's a waste of my time. So I just shove all of them into one of the pillowcases. So I have 2 sets there. Blankets, and then those are all just extra blankets as well. I need additional baskets for this area, but for now, this works. Hey y'all, it is Thursday now, right? Yeah, Thursday. So it's 1:30 in the afternoon. I kind of forgot that I was vlogging this week, so I didn't pick up the camera. But honestly, this morning has not been super interesting. I've been doing another one of those all-day conferences, so today it's interior design. Other than that, nothing really has happened yet. However, I did get a package with some more oversized t-shirts. You guys know that this summer, basically the only thing that I've been wearing, oversized t-shirts with bike shorts. I'm also realizing I haven't really put on makeup for you guys this week, but that's okay. So I got a couple more t-shirts. One of my favorite bands, which is kind of cliche, but I really do love their stuff, is Queen. So I just got a simple Queen, their logo t-shirt in black. I also got this epic white Freddie Mercury t-shirt. This MTV t-shirt. So again, I'm really sorry that you guys haven't seen me with makeup on. Hopefully you don't mind, but any chance that I can take to let my skin breathe, I do it. So, hands on elbows. I don't know if I can do it.
What?
I can't do it. Do you have to spread more?
No.
Wait!
What?
Is there a trick?
No.
Women are supposed to be able to do it and not men.
Well, I'm a wrestler.
I'm irritated. It's Friday now. Sorry, the last couple days have been really weird, but today, as you've seen, I have been packing for me and my mom's cabin trip. So my family has a cabin that my great-grandpa built, and every year me and my mom take a girls trip. And people always wonder like what we do at the cabin, and the answer is whatever the hell we want to do. And sometimes that's nothing. It's sleeping late, it's eating bacon for breakfast, it's watching movies if we want to, it's reading tons of books. There's no agenda. We can do whatever we want to do, to the point where I have packed 12 books, and I'm wondering genuinely if that will be enough. We're going for 5 days. Plants are now freshly watered and ready for me to go on vacation. So I actually think I'm gonna end off the vlog here. If you have not already, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you have not already. I will put links in the description box. You guys are amazing. I love you so much, and I will see you next week. Bye, guys.